Whoa, it's RTX day, right? Nvidia is launching their brand new 3000 series GPUs. So let me just quickly search for them. Okay, they've launched a couple of brand new RTX second gen GPUs, guys. 3070, 3080, 3090. Damn! Looking at the performance, damn double performance, crazy fast speeds. Okay, and the price? Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. What a day to be alive, guys. After a numerous amount of leaks on the new GPUs from Nvidia, finally Nvidia has unveiled their new 3000 series GPUs yesterday at midnight, guys. And I'm like super excited about these GPUs because these are the second gen RTX cards from the brand, and are based on the Ampere architecture, the new architecture, which offers a lot of improvements and performance boost over the previous Turing architecture. And I'm like super excited to talk about these GPUs in this video. So yesterday while I was watching the launch event live at midnight, I was like completely blown away, guys. And in this video what I'll do is I'll completely share all the information and details about all these brand new RTX cards they've unveiled, and I'll keep it short and simple so you'll get to know everything about these cards. So in the RTX 3000 series, in their first wave, Nvidia has unveiled the RTX 3070, 3080 and also the 3090 card, guys. So first we'll be talking about the 3070 and then we'll go to the other models one by one. 3070, guys, this was the most exciting card out of all of them, and I bet this is like the sweetest spot for most of the people out there. And the biggest thing is this RTX 3070 is like even faster than the previous RTX 2080 Ti, guys, and that too at a price less than that, like half the price of 2080 Ti. That is awesome, right? And Nvidia says that it's almost like 60% faster than the previous 2070. So there's a lot of performance improvement, and not only that, they've gone with a completely new design as well. And this card is mainly made for 1440p and 4K gaming. So RTX 3070, just like the previous gen cards, has two dual axial fans on the bottom side, while the RTX 3080 and 3090 implement a new design. We'll be coming to there in a moment. And if you ask about the pricing of the 3070 for India, the price of 3070 starts around like 51,000 for the Founders Edition model. Now aftermarket cards, we're not sure, guys, like from Asus and other brands, we'll have to wait for them. Now moving on to the next one, the RTX 3080. Nvidia says that this is like the ultimate card for 4K gaming. It's mainly made for 4K gaming, guys, and comes with 10 gigs of GDDR6X memory. GDDR6X is like super fast memory that runs at like 19 Gbps. That is super awesome. While the previous RTX 3070 comes with 8 gigs of VRAM and has GDDR6 memory, but this one over here comes with the new 6X memory that is like way faster than the 3070. Nvidia says that this is made for consistent 4K 60 FPS gaming, so you're gonna get like buttery smooth 4K gaming, guys. This is what I'm like really looking forward to. I can't wait to get my hands on this card and test it out and show you how this thing performs. So that was about the 3080, and not only that, I've told you, right, the design has been changed. It's got that new flow-through design with dual axial fans. Will be coming there in a moment, but before that, let's also talk about the 3090. Now RTX 3090 is like top of the line, guys, the premium series graphic card in the 3000 series, and they're calling it as a big ferocious graphic card. Now that's because this is like a graphic card that you've never seen before. It's like not your normal size graphic card, guys. It's jumbo. It's this massive that occupies like 3 PCIe slots in your cabinet and is like really massive, hence the name big ferocious GPU. So this one comes with like 24 gigs of GDDR6X memory and is called the Titan Killer. It's almost like 50% faster than the RTX Titan and offers like excellent performance. And the main thing is this card is made for 8K gaming. You can play 8K gaming, you can capture it and even stream everything at the same time. That is madness. Oh my god, I can't wait to check out this thing in person and maybe build a PC using the RTX 3090. That is going to be hell lot of fun and awesome, guys. Stay tuned for that on my channel because I'll be getting the RTX 3000 series graphic cards very soon. That will be happening in like 10 days mostly. So stay tuned to our channel. So these are the 3 graphic cards they've launched. About the pricing, as I've told you, the 3070 Founders Edition will start at 51,000 rupees in India, while the 3080 will start around like 71,000 for the Founders Edition, and the 3090 will start at 1.52 lakhs guys for the Founders Edition. The aftermarket prices might be different. That we'll have to see once they release the cards in the market from different brands. So now let me tell you about the new design that they're using on these new RTX 3000 series graphic cards. It's called the flow through design guys. It implements like two axial fans on one at the top right corner of the graphic card and one more on the bottom left corner of the graphic card. So whenever you place it in your cabinet, the air flows through these fans and passes through the graphic card and keeps it cool. So this new design offers like a lot of improvements. First thing is it's almost like 3 times quieter than the previous Turing architecture, and on top of that it keeps the graphic card almost 20 degrees cooler than the previous Turing architecture. That's a great improvement, right? So this is something that we'll have to test it out in person. And also if you talk about the design, it's got a complete unibody aluminum design, so one piece construction, very beautiful, also looking completely new look and feel guys. So that was about the design. And one more thing I'd like to say is even the power connector on these graphic cards have been updated. Like unlike the previous 6 or 8 pin, you won't be having that. You're having a brand new 12 pin power connector on these graphic cards. But that is something you'll not have to worry about. These new RTX 3000 graphic cards are compatible fully with your existing power supplies. You can use your regular 8 pin cable only. They include an adapter guys, which converts this 8 pin to 12 pin, and then you can easily connect this power supply to your graphic card using that adapter. So that is one more thing. And also these new graphic cards implement HDMI 2.1 ports guys. So these are like ready for 8K gaming out of the box. So these are all the new design changes, performance improvements and new technologies that Nvidia has brought in these new RTX 3000 series graphic cards guys. Now if you talk about the aftermarket cards, well, Asus has already unveiled their brand new RTX 3000 series GPUs. They've launched like 3 series, the regular dual series graphic cards, Tough gaming series and also the Strix gaming series. The one that I'm most excited is about the Tough and the Strix especially. The Strix graphic cards have been completely revamped guys. The design, the look and feel, everything is changed after like many years. And not only that, along with the graphic cards, they've launched like a bunch of new peripherals like routers and monitors also guys. This monitor that I'm talking about right now is special. This is a brand new ROG Swift series monitor that comes with 360 Hz insanely high refresh rate. This is like currently the world's fastest gaming monitor right now in the market guys. Like 360 Hz, that is insane. People dream of playing games in like 144 Hz, then 240 Hz came out, and now 360 Hz. That is nuts. I'll definitely try to get my hands on this monitor also very soon and show you all the special features of this monitor. Well, that is it guys. This is what I wanted to share with you all in this video. A quick look and talk about the RTX 3000 graphic cards, the Ampere, second gen RTX cards from Nvidia. I'll be getting my hands on these graphic cards very soon on the channel. So stay tuned to my channel guys. We'll be checking out the RTX 3080 probably first, and in a couple of days only. So I'll be giving my complete review on these new graphic cards, and then we'll be building some amazing PCs also, PC builds using the 3000 series GPUs. A lot of content, exciting content coming up on the channel. So if you all enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos, and I'll see you all in my next one.